Want to record audio directly inside editing 24/7? Let's capture it like a pro. Open your project or start a new one. Now head to the top menu and look for the audio or record option. It might appear as a microphone icon. Click on it and you will see the audio recorder panel pop up. Choose your input source, usually your microphone, and do a quick test to make sure it's picking up sound. Hit the record button and start speaking. Your audio will begin recording in real time and show waveforms as you go. Once done, hit stop and your audio will be automatically inserted into your project timeline. You can trim it, move it around, or even add effects just like any other audio track. Use a quiet room and enable noise reduction for cleaner voiceovers. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.